A noteworthy development unfolded in the United Democratic Party Bhoi district yesterday, just weeks prior to the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Several influential figures of UDP, such as former Mauhati MLA and working president of the party in the state and district, Donbok Kimdet, Chief Advisor UDP Bhoi, Rafael Masar, former KHEDC CEM Rangkansai Makdo, announced their designation following deliberations among the leadership. This consequential decision is expected to impact the electoral prospects of Robert Jun Kharjarin, the Regional Democratic Alliance candidate contending for the Shillong parliamentary seat.
Ada relasi negara ada dunia perkat seni bah, nilai keren, nilai kenduk, nilai diskus, hadin nilai keren, nilai kenduk, nilai keren, nilai sim negara ada kawai kejemut bah kita kepala sendiri ban, ni nak ke parti UDP, nilai sayang hangi, tangkin kita kam kita kaman, ngomong yakin Kristian. Yang lagi nak Kristian kita, ada ikan ni kata kamu kalau ketak susu. Ni tangkin kita kam kita kamat jangka parti apa jangka youth wing, women's wing, pada kalian juga ramba apa jangka Bhoi district, bat kemujur kepada jangka state kebahap kepada yang ni apa Bhoi. Tinggal sini ke negara, mengelar resign no. Kebamut bah kajian ada jini bat ke parti UDP kalau kod ngadu mentah kesini.
Former